Yeah, what up guys? This is me picking on my camera again after a very long break. And the reason for this break is because I went for NYC camp. So there's no how I could make video for you guys from the camp. So that was why we took that break. Well, I'm back now. We spent 3 weeks there. Yeah, since then I've been very, very busy with a lot of stuff. Feels good to be back. Yeah, I'm ready to start making videos again for you guys back to back. So guys, quick update on what I've been doing, what I've been like busy. As you can see, we did a little upgrade on our space. This is my workspace there, right there. Testing. Today is Sunday. Of course, usually before the market opens on Monday, I usually study my charts, the trades I took the previous week and set myself up for the coming week, position myself properly. As regards trading, I've not been very active for these past 3 weeks, all right, because I was there. There's no way I could, balance trading with the activities there. But before I actually left for my service, I had a 50K account which was already in a drawdown. I was trading it with you guys here on YouTube, all right, before I left for camp. So it was in a drawdown of about 5 to 6%. That was a Stellar Light account from Funded Nest, which has 8% maximum drawdown. So it was just left with about 2% below the account. I was taking trades in camp. Yeah, it didn't come out well. So I ended up blowing the accounts, and that was it. I didn't trade for the remaining period. The remaining time I spent there, I didn't take any trade, and that was how it was, all right? So coming back from camp, I needed to kickstart trading again, though I haven't been I didn't document this past account with you guys, all right? So I was just setting up my space, and I couldn't make any videos. So I got a 25K account and I started trading it. So those of you that follow me on Telegram, I was posting, the trades. I was sharing it on my Telegram channel as well. Here's the thing here. I built the account last week. I think that was because I didn't really document, and that's one of the importance of documenting, because documenting, I don't have to do some mistakes because I have a lot of people watching me, and there's some kind of accountability. Coming back from camp, youth service camp, so I needed to resume trading. So I got a new account, though I didn't document here on YouTube, but those of you that follow me on Instagram and those in my Telegram community, I was posting the update there. I was posting the trade I was taking as well. But here's the thing, I go with 25K account with Funded Nest. This time I didn't go with the usual 2% I was risking. I said I was going to reduce my risk to 1%, so which is $250. But this was what I was doing. I was stacking trades, not like in flipping. I was getting re-entries. Let's say a trade triggered, then I'll get a re-entry. After it has moved a bit, I'll get a re-entry, then risk another 1%. Let's say for one winning trade, I'll try to maximize the profit by getting multiple entry. The initial plan was cool. The way I wrote it out on my trading plan was, once I get in a trade, the trade is running. If I get a re-entry, the initial one should be on break even. That was the plan. And if I had followed this plan straightly, I don't think I would have blown my account. Currently, I have no profit from accounts I'm trading currently. So for the time being, I've been trading crypto pairs. So this time I'm just funding directly. I'm just trading with just normal funds, personal funds, all right? From last week, I traded just two pairs, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And for the crypto pairs, those are the only two pairs I'll be trading, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I have a current position on both of these pairs that are still running, all right? So this early Monday morning, I think time is currently, what's time? So time is currently 12:20. I'm just prepping for the market, and I'm still holding these two positions. So let me show you guys on the chart. All right, these are the two positions. This is Ethereum, all right? You can see same concepts, broke structure. Same thing market did here. You can see this corrective pullback to discount zone. The moment we took out this low, you can see market started pushing up, broke this high. This was the first change of character, and market pulled back to 50%. If you measure this, you're going to see that this was pulled back into discount zones. Market mitigated this PY here, and you can see how it flew up to take out this external liquidity. Yeah, same thing happened here. So we broke structure. This was where market changed character at this point. So you can see this low being taken out. So this change of character is not like we've changed trend. The change of character was to pull back price back to discount, then we'll start buying up again. Now watch this. This was exactly what happened here. You can see we started pushing back up again. After this pullback, market pulled up, reacted off of this POI. You can see how we correctively pulled back into discounts. Look at market swept liquidity, and we started. So this was, I think this was last weekend. You can see we consolidated for a very long time here before market finally broke to the upside, and we took out this high that created this low. So this was where the actual change of character happened. Now I'm expecting price to come back to this particular line here. This is a key level, and move up to take out this high. We still have this external liquidity, and I can see the reason why price is reacting from this zone now. You can see we are having a little bit of drop is because this is a key level. This is a very nice supply zone. So the reason we're reacting, we're selling from that level. So if you tap on this level now, so I'm sure market is gonna pump a bit. So let's see how it goes. I have Bitcoin as well. So this Bitcoin, my target is right at the top. It's still very far. Let's see how this turns out. So guys, as regards our profit account, we still have like 3 months left to the year, and I still believe things can change, turn around. So as for now, I don't know if I'm going to get a new account. Definitely I would, but I might just decide to like take a break because of the account, the amount of account I've blown in the past few months. Like, I think the only good quarters I had was the first quarter, then second quarter. See, this third quarter, it's been crazy. It's been crazy. I've lost a lot of money. I don't know if it's for me to like take a break or keep going, but let's see how it goes. All right, I'll keep updating you guys. Expect vlog, trade breakdowns, and what again, tutorial videos. My strategy, a lot of persons have been asking. I'm going to start sharing videos on how I trade from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, and how I trade gold specifically. So that will be all, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.